Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching, it's because my thumbnail was probably banging for real, or you just really like the content I put out, so I'm gonna thank you anyway. And yeah, so if you're new and the thumbnail made you click, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button if you liked the video. So, you know, stay till the end or whatever. Today we are going to basically be trying to color this hair without dye. I am so sick. Oh, excuse me, phone. I am so sick of almost killing myself using bleach and dye and stuff all the time that I just was like, there has to be something out there that can dye dark hair bright colors. So today we're gonna try something out that I found in Ulta. Hopefully it works. And it's not the L'Oreal color chalk stuff. I tried to find it, I couldn't find it. It is a different kind of color chalk, and I guess this is going to be like a review or whatever to see if this crap actually works. Okay, so this is the stuff that I got. Here's the stuff. It is ColourPop. It's ColourPop Original Dippity Dew. That's temporary hair chalk. It comes in like this little EOS egg, and I got it. Ulta bag. I got it in purple, pink, and blue. I opened the pink and blue one and I was like, hey, you actually might want to show them what the package looks like. So I did not open the purple one. So we are going to go ahead and try, okay, yeah, focus on this thing. Yay, focus on these. We're going to go ahead and try these out. So I'm going to zoom you guys out and then be right back, and we're going to try to color my head. Okay, you guys, so I got some gloves because I don't know if this stuff is going to stain my hands. And I've zoomed you out as much as I can. This hair has been washed. I don't know if that makes a difference, but the hair has been washed when I went ahead and bleached the knots. I washed the hair, so hopefully, it was washed like a week ago. So, and this is my first time ever trying out the hair. This hair is from Yiroo Hair, and I will leave all of the information below in the description bar where you can purchase the hair. And also the lengths and curl pattern and everything will also be in the description bar, and I'll probably mention it here as well. I'm just really bad with this stuff. But Yiroo Hair, this hair was given to me by Yiroo Hair to do a review on it, and I'm gonna see how it takes color first, and then we'll talk about the hair after. So let's try the pink first. So hopefully you guys can still hear me. I moved my microphone closer and I just scratched this. Anyway, this is what it looks like inside. It's like a tiny little EOS egg. And I'm just going to take a curl. I did not straighten this hair because I wanted to be able to separate it. I'm just gonna take a curl. It says to take it and just do this to it. Okay. Well, it colored it. But like, I feel like it's gonna be like, I'm gonna rub it in. Okay, that's not terrible. Like, if you want to just like color your hair for like a festival or something, that's not terrible at all. Okay, let me open the purple one. I'm gonna do it like purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink, blue. And I think this stuff just washes right on out, you guys. Alright, here's the blue one. Still blue one. Blue feels loose, like it's gonna fall out. This is actually kind of tough. Okay, so the blue one is not as bright as the pink one, but you can tell it's blue. Alright, let's do a purple strand. Okay, where can I find a purple strand? Here, let's do a purple strand up here. Okay, don't mess up my baby hair. Right, let's do a purple strand right up here. Ooh, the purple is pretty. I'm digging the purple one, you guys. It's so pretty, you guys. Oh actually kind of feeling it. Like, it's not brightly colored. It's kind of muted, but it's not exactly chalky either. Let's do another purple one back here. I'm gonna try to do my whole head. See how much of these things, how they last. Still a blue one up here. Oh! It broke. Oh shit. Did it break though? No, it didn't break. It's still like, it's really hard pressed, but it's not inside the little egg anymore. That kind of sucks. Actually, that really sucks. Oh, you guys, tomorrow's Easter. I didn't realize these are like Easter colors. Like, these are like little Easter eggs. That's cool. Alright, let's do like a pink one. Like one of these up here. The pink is like really bright. Like, I'm really feeling the pink. I really like the pink. Oh, I feel like I'm back in my like emo days when I used to shop at Hot Topic. This is so cute. Okay, let's see some more. This is actually really exciting. By the way, this is 3 bundles in a closure, so it's not a frontal. So if you see my tracks, don't judge me. Okay, the blue is like really hard to do. I don't know if I like the blue so much. It's not very bright. I'll do some purple with the blue. Okay, with that little ombre or whatever. A little ombre, a little twisty-turny, a little topsy-turvy. That's cute. I actually really like this, you guys. I didn't think it was gonna come out okay. I thought it was gonna be whack. Wiggity whack. But I mean, the blue is kind of whack. The blue is actually really whack. But we'll just use that as like highlights. The pink is my favorite. I was gonna recommend any of these. I say get the pink. The purple is iffy. The blue sucks. Like, the pink is super bright and pretty and easy to apply. The blue broke on me, made me look stupid. This pink is like everywhere right now. Like, it's all inside the other ones. It's so pigmented. It's super pigmented. I'm actually really feeling this. Like, I feel like I Hot Topic chick again. Like, I need to go to Spencer's right now and get my Jack Skellington dress or whatever. Oh, why does that curl like straight right now? Whatever. I feel good about this. I mean, I know y'all probably tired of me sitting here going through strand to strand, but I feel bossed up about it. I feel like the blue is making me pull the hair so much that it's straightening. That even makes sense. This is actually really cute. Okay. I wonder how it's gonna curl. I'm gonna try to curl it after this. Like, I wanted to keep these curls in it, but I think I want to try to do like different curls. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the whole head, and then I'll be right back, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. We'll see what the finished product looks like. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I didn't do my whole head. As you can see, like, I didn't do the back, but I did a lot of the side. And I'm going to show you how much of each one I have left. So this is how much I have left as a pink. I hit pan. We hit pan on the pink. We have quite a lot of purple left. The pink is the most pigmented, so that makes sense. And we have about half of the blue left. So I'm going to argue that I could do the rest of this. And get this eyelash together. I could probably do the rest of this with what I have left. So I don't think you can do a whole head with just one. I bought 3. They were $6 each. So it's $18 to be able to, I don't know, dye my hair like multicolored for like less than $20. It's not bad actually. No bleach. I know after one wash this is gone. So this is definitely like a festival look or like a one-day thing. I wouldn't recommend it for more than one day. It does stain your hands. I'm pretty sure it probably wipes off most shirts. You can kind of see, yeah. So it does, I think it does it transfers. I'm not gonna say I think. It does transfer, so wear it with caution if you're gonna wear it. You guys wanna see what it's like with like heat? Let's see how it does with heat. Well, the hair curls beautifully. However, I feel like once I curl it, the color is kind of, actually no, it's not that bad. It's kind of cool. I didn't like it. The hair curls like, the hair is really gone. Curls like nobody's business. Yeah. My hands are gonna be so pink after this. Look how fast this curls. It's like rap, 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 rap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl. That's popping. I'm not mad at this. This hair curls so easily. And just so you guys know, this curling one is from Remington. I've had it for literal years. I believe I got it from like Walmart once. And that's the end of that story. Ow! Alright, you played too much. Alright, we're done. I burnt myself, that's it. Once I burn myself, we're done. Okay, so that was a pretty good test of whether or not the hair curls and with the color. I actually like the color a lot better once you put some heat to it. It gets a little bit of luster back to it, and I'm kind of liking this. Like I'm definitely not mad at this. Let's get some body. Let's get some body in here. Let's get some body. Make it bigger. Can't make it bigger. Alright. This is dope. This is super cute. Okay, so I might really be feeling myself, but I actually really like the colors. I really like the hair texture. So once again, this is the Yiroo Hair. It was provided to me to do a review, and I actually really love this hair. I feel like I don't give a lot of bad reviews. This hair, I'm not getting shedding, but I didn't comb through it because the hair is still in its natural curl pattern. It is in the Malaysian deep wave. It's in 3 bundles. I have a 22, a 20, a 18, and a 16-inch closure. The closure is 4x4. Okay, so I do have something bad to say. So the closure came pre-plucked, I believe. I did pluck it a little bit more just to make it look a little bit more natural. I might have even, I don't think I overplucked it, but I'm plucking my frontals and closures a little bit more now than I usually do, just to make them not as dense. So I'm kind of like almost balding them in order to whatever. Okay, so it's kind of my fault. But the one bad thing I can say is that this closure came in a weirdest greenish gray color, and I just don't understand. I tinted it with foundation, but I don't understand what companies have that one weird color of like, it's not a big deal because you can always tint it, but it'd just be nice not to have to tint it, you know what I mean? Like to be able to choose a color, like, hey, I'm dark brown, can you give me dark brown lace? And that's that. But other than that, the hair is really, really nice. It has been, I made this wig weeks ago. I washed it, the curl pattern snapped, like came right back once it dried. I didn't want to bleach it because I didn't want to loosen these curls. These curls were so pretty when I took it out of the box. I did not want to bleach it. I did record me taking it out the freaking box. However, I recorded, I'm such an idiot. I recorded me doing all of that when I got like, so I had so much hair to do, so I tried to like save some time and record pieces all together, and I was just going to add clips in, blah 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 blah. However, when my camera got corrupted with the other videos, it deleted those clips of me like bleaching these knots and showing you guys the hair, so that really, really sucks, and I'm so sorry, you guys. But there's no way for me to go back and redo it because I had already made the wig by that time. But basically, that is about it for my first impressions of the hair. Maybe I'll do a, like, I'll show you guys maybe in a few days what this coloring looks like, if it like holds up. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because tomorrow is Easter, so yeah, I'm gonna be rocking my Easter hair tomorrow, and this is probably the outlook I'm gonna be rocking in church too. So praise them, beat to the gods for God. Ha! It's like, no, okay, all right, forgive me. Anyway, this is basically it for this hair video. This is really short, I think, but it's kind of like self-explanatory, you feel me? I do want to do a styling tutorial with this. If you guys want to know about this makeup look, this video should be up. The makeup look video should be up by the time you guys see the hair video, and I'll do like a little styling tutorial or no, you know what I mean? I think I can. I think maybe I'll long curl the whole thing for you guys so you can see how it looks completely long curled and not just like with some long curls and with some natural curls in it, so I'm not looking crazy. Actually, like this. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Honey, I know. Alright, so I'm gonna go enjoy. Where's my double chin? I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my night with my baby. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching. Sorry, can you not? Oh, it's credit card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you liked it, even though it was like super short. And come back and watch me like do some stuff, because I'm gonna do some stuff to this hair. This hair is popping. I like this. This is really popping. Anything for Selena's. Okay, let's go. All right, I love you guys so much. We'll see you in my next video. Peace.